Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss a job lead as soon as it is uploaded, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube notifies you as soon as I upload a video. Some positions go quickly, so if you find anything you are interested in, make sure you get your applications and resumes in ASAP. We will not waste any time today. The company iFIT is hiring remote customer service representatives. Now, iFIT is an exercise health wellness company. They have exercise apps that you can sign up for, pay a monthly subscription fee. I know their stuff is included on some exercise equipment you buy, like they have treadmills that have the big screens on them, kind of like a Peloton type deal. But they are hiring customer service reps. The pay rates start at $15 an hour, and they are offering flexible schedules, which is great for all of my people who are looking for evening, nighttime, part-time type hours. It says training for this role is 3 weeks long, so they will have paid training, and it will take place in the evening hours. So training is in the evening, so if you have a first shift job, then this will work great around your schedule. And then after you make it through the 3 week long training, you'll be assigned a scheduled shift of your choice following the training. They're offering multiple shifts. So if you want to work first shift, if you just get through the nighttime hours for the 3 weeks of training, then you can choose a first shift. Or if you want nighttime hours, this will work great for you. Now, the little caveat, they are only hiring in certain states. These states are listed right here. They are offering some benefits, including the ability to work from home, flexible scheduling, 401k. They have paid time off, and they will also give you free access to the iFIT and Sweat memberships. So free exercise apps for you if you're interested in that. Now, some of the job responsibilities are you will interact with members to provide and process information in response to their inquiries, concerns, or requests about product support or services. You'll gather the members' information and determine what their issue is by evaluating and analyzing their concerns. You'll try to discover the root cause of what is causing the members' problems and take action to resolve that. You'll capture opportunities to offer additional or upgrade services to the members while you have them on the phone. You'll follow their standards, processes, and procedures, and you will troubleshoot software and maintain knowledge of any internal changes. Now, there are a few qualifications for this, but this is pretty much a job anyone can do. You need to have proper phone etiquette. You need to have the ability to communicate both verbally and in writing clearly and accurately. You need to demonstrate proficiency in typing 30 words per minute and have good grammar, and they would like someone who has knowledge of customer service skills and effective listening skills and the ability to multitask. So these are basic life skills that most of us have. They don't require any college degree, any fancy smancy education and skills. So this is pretty much a job anyone can do. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. I have playlists linked down below in the description that you might want to check out. There might be a job lead that is a better fit for you there. And as always, I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.